Program we're going to discuss about how to take maximum of three numbers. So before going to maximum of three numbers, I'm going to take you to find maximum of two numbers. So we'll take the input, and by the way, maximum of two numbers is, as you might know, is very simple, as it just involves the simple built-in function which is max, and simply you put the two numbers here, and C++ is simply gonna tell the maximum of x and y from these two numbers and simply print out it. So let's try after saving it. So let's take 2 and 3, and as we know, out of these two, 3 will be the maximum. So here it prints 3. So let's now talk about three numbers. Now what this function is, this function cannot take more than two values. Like for example, you cannot take another variable z here because it's only for two variables. Doing this would rather result in an error. So the question comes up, how to take the maximum of three variables? Well, you can take that by using the for loops and while loops. Taking the loops and iterating them and using those loops to find the maximum. You don't need to go in that. There is another simple thing to do here. If you look closely, we can use max of these two numbers and then put the input of the third number. And by the way, let me also write z here, as we are talking about three variables and integer has to be written. So this is something which can be used to find the maximum of three numbers. So what it will do is, it will find the maximum of either of the two values. So for example, x is greater than y, so x will be returned, and then maximum of the returned value of the maximum of these two, that is x and z, will be returned, and therefore you're going to get the maximum of these three numbers. So let's try after saving it, and hopefully it should return the correct answer. So you have to input three numbers. Alright, let's take 3, 4 and 5, and there it is, it's correct. Let's try another so that it's confirmed that we are doing it correctly. Let's take any. Yeah, so it prints correct. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you liked it. Leave a like if you did, and subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.